everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can create this beautiful and easy to make macrame diamond using square knots, half hitch knots, and reverse half hitch knots. Let's get started. To begin, I just went ahead and attached 6 cords to my dowel rod with lark's head knots. Now, take the 4 cords right in the middle and tie a square knot. Now we're going to kind of split our project into half, and we're going to work with the 6 cords here on the left side. We're going to take the 2 cords towards the right side. The cord on the left of these 2 is going to tie around that far right cord with a half hitch knot. I'm going to take that working cord we just used and add it to our little grouping here. I take the next cord to the left and tie it around both cords with a half hitch knot. That cord now adds with the group. The cord on the far left repeats the same process, this time tying around all 3 cords. Just keep repeating this process, moving all the way to the left. Now we're going to repeat this exact same process, this time using our cords on the right side, moving from left to right. We're going to move back to the side on the left, this time working from left to right to move diagonally down to the right. I'm going to take the 1 cord on the far left, and this time I'm going to tie a reverse half hitch knot around all these cords. That just means I send it behind to form my loop this time. I'm going to drop that cord I just used. Take the next cord behind and around all the other cords. Keep repeating this process, always dropping the previous cord you used, so we're tying around less cords each time. Now repeat on the right side. Now we're just going to connect our diamond together by taking the 4 cords directly in the center and tying another square knot like we did at the start. Just like that. And now our very easy way of forming a macrame diamond is complete. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.